Today I'm sharing a quick story. How I saved my money plant that had almost completely dried out. Its leaves had turned yellow, stems were weak, and roots were nearly dead. But with a gentle recovery method, it came back lush and healthy again. Step 1. Clean and trim. I carefully removed the plant from its pot and brushed away the hard, dry soil. Then I trimmed all the brown, rotten roots, keeping only the few light and flexible ones. Step 2. Lemon soak. In 1 liter of clean water, I added a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Lemon helps disinfect the roots and wake up weak cells. I soaked the plant for 10 minutes to refresh and cleanse it. Step 3. 1 liter of water, half a chopped lemon, and 2 tablespoons of oats. After soaking for 5 hours, I strained the liquid and used it as a gentle nutrient solution. The lemon adds vitamins and minerals, while oats nourish and trigger root growth. Step 4. Replant and recover. I replanted the money plant in soft, airy, well-draining soil, watered it with a lemon oat solution, and placed it in bright, indirect sunlight. After a few days, the fresh green shoots appeared, vines stretched out again, and the plant became fuller and stronger than ever.